I got it, Billy. Just one more. Oops.
Wanna put it back up?
Nah, let's do something else.
We can play together then.
Sure, Paula. But what should we play?
I know. Let's play with toy cars.
Yeah! Let's clear these blocks out of the way first. What's wrong, Tim? Why aren't you cleaning?
Huh? Oh, cleaning is just so boring.
But the faster we clean, the faster we get to play.
I just wish cleaning was more fun.
How about we find a way then?
To the supercomputer!
How to make cleaning more fun.
Huh? Why is it playing music?
That's it! We can dance to the music while cleaning.
Yeah, I love dancing.
Then let's get cleaning!
That was so much fun.
And look how clean it is!
Yeah. Are you done, Tim?
Tim, you haven't cleaned at all.
Oh, yeah. I forgot about that.
We said we'd all clean up. Maybe you should too?
Don't worry. I'll clean it later.
But you said we were gonna play toy cars.
Let's play outside first, Billy. When you're done cleaning up, come get us so we can play together.
Wait, I want to play with you guys.
Sure, Tim. But clean up first, okay? If you just focus, it'll be done in no time.
Yeah, it's just a few building blocks.
Okay.
Come on, Billy.
I wonder how Tim is doing.
I thought he'd be out here already. Let's go check on him. Hey, Tim. How's it going? Huh?
What's this music?
Tim! Tim! What is this?
Huh? What did you say? I was wondering when you'd come back. Quick, grab a car. The race is about to start.
You were supposed to clean up your blocks.
But you made it messier.
Oh, yeah. The blocks are actually obstacles for the race. I'll clean it after. For real. Now, come on. Let's play. Oh, no.
Billy! Are you okay, Billy?
Oh, where am I?
Billy, I'm sorry.
Come on, Billy. Let's get you some fresh air. How are you feeling, Billy?
I'm better, Paula. Thanks. But I'm worried about Tim.
You don't need to worry about him. We wouldn't be out here if he just cleaned his mess.
Do you think we were too mean by not letting him join us?
Maybe. He still needs to clean up, though. Let's go check on him. Watch your step. Huh?
Whoa, it's so clean. Hey, Tim.
Tim, the room looks amazing.
Good job.
Oh, hey, guys. Are you feeling better, Billy?
Yeah, but are you okay?
I'm fine. It's just that cleaning up is boring, right? But it's important to do it for many reasons. For starters, it's hard to move around when it's a big mess. Your friends can't join you for fun. Someone could even get hurt. They could slip and fall on the mess you made. The more you don't clean, the more your mess grows, and your friends don't want to play with you anymore. I'm sorry for not cleaning earlier, and I miss playing with you guys.
We miss playing with you too, Tim. Can we help you finish cleaning up so we can play?
Thanks, but I should clean up my mess.
Wait, Tim.
Huh?
All yours, Tim.
Okay. Oh, yeah.
Tim learned to clean, Paula.
That's right, Billy.
Say cheese. Good job, Mr. Snail.
I want to see, Billy.
Isn't it nice, Paula?
Wait a minute. I took a picture of the same snail just now.
Oh, what about this one then?
Hey, how come my picture is on your camera?
It's not yours, Tim. It's just that we took a picture of the same thing.
Well, the garden is not that big. What if we look for a bigger and more interesting place?
To the supercomputer!
Scanning the camera.
All done.
Oh, the jungle. That's not just big, that's a gigantic place.
We can take pictures all day long.
Woohoo! To the jungle we go.
So pretty.
This is miles better than the garden. Guys, what kind of animal is that?
Interesting.
Guys, I don't think that's an animal. That's
Professor Coconut.
Hello, children. Fancy seeing you here.
What are you doing behind the bush, Professor?
I'm looking for a purple beetle. Wait, are those cameras I'm seeing?
Yeah, we're going around the jungle to take some pictures.
Oh, here he is. I can teach you. Follow me, children.
What are you guys waiting for? Let's go!
okay, Paula.
Coming.
With that, your lesson is done.
Yeah!
Woo!
Now go and capture the world.
Yes, Professor Coconut. Tim, the mango is not properly framed.
Oh, okay.
There's nothing in the sky, Billy. What are you trying to capture? That's just a rock, Tim. Why would you take a photo of a rock? So you should never touch your lens. Your pictures will be smudged with fingerprints.
Hey, Paula, wanna split up?
Split up?
Yeah, so, we can take pictures of different things.
Oh, okay. Sure, let's split up. Good one, Paula. Tim? Billy?
Paula was being so strict with us.
Yeah, we just want to have fun taking pictures.
But I feel bad for Paula. We shouldn't have left her by herself.
You're right.
Let's just tell her we want to have fun. How about that?
Agreed.
At last, I've got you.
Oh, sorry, Professor.
Why the long face? And where are the others?
They don't want to be with me because I'm not fun. I was too strict with the picture taking.
I see. Sometimes we might get too invested in our passion. There are times that you can be serious and passionate about the things you do. But sometimes we might get too passionate, and we expect people to feel the same about our passion. It's fine to take a step back and just enjoy the things you're passionate about, especially when you're with friends. Just have fun.
You're right. I took away their fun.
Paula!
There you are. We were looking for you.
Tim, Billy, I'm sorry for being so strict.
Oh, we want to say we're sorry, too.
Yeah, we should have told you we just want to have fun taking pictures.
Then off you go and have some fun.
Okay, Professor Coconut.
You learned to have fun, Paula.
That's right, Billy.
Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join us for more fun next time.